Transform your body. What happens when you plank? For just 1 minute every day, do you want to transform your body and improve your overall fitness? Planking for just 1 minute every day can make a significant difference. Let's explore the amazing benefits you can experience by incorporating this simple exercise into your routine. First and foremost, planking targets your core muscles, including your rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, obliques, and lower back. As you consistently practice planks, your core strength will improve. This leads to better stability, improved posture, and enhanced athletic performance. Speaking of posture, strengthening your core through planking helps support your spine and reduces the tendency to slouch. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to a better appearance as your posture improves. But planks don't stop there. They also engage muscles in your shoulders, chest, and hamstrings, promoting enhanced flexibility. This newfound flexibility not only reduces the risk of injury, but also improves your overall mobility. Think planking is just a static exercise? Think again. Even though it may seem stationary,
Planking actually increases your heart rate
and stimulates your metabolism. Over time, this can lead to improved calorie burning and contribute to weight management. The mental benefits of planking are not to be underestimated. Holding a plank requires mental focus and endurance. By practicing planks daily, you can build mental resilience, improve your ability to concentrate, and stay calm under pressure. Furthermore, planking improves your balance. As you engage your core and stabilize your body, your balance will naturally improve. This is particularly beneficial in other exercises or daily activities that require coordination. While planking for 1 minute daily is a fantastic starting point, it's important to be aware of potential plateaus. Doing the same exercise every day can hinder continuous improvement. To keep progressing, consider increasing the duration of your plank, trying different plank variations, or incorporating other core exercises. In conclusion, planking for just 1 minute every day can transform your body and improve your overall fitness, from enhanced core strength and better posture to increased flexibility and metabolism. The benefits are tremendous. Remember to gradually increase the challenge and diversify your routine to continue seeing improvements. Start planking today and reap the rewards for yourself.